Picture this. You're watching your favorite American TV show. The characters are talking. But wait, their words sound like one long jumbled mess. Did ya yet? Wanna go to the movies? Shoulda known better. Sound familiar. Don't panic. You're not broken. Your English isn't bad. Native speakers just have their own secret code. And today, I'm going to crack it for you. Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and welcome to English Stories with Alex. If you've ever felt like native speakers talk way too fast, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand why English sounds so different in real life, and more importantly, you'll know exactly how to train your ears to catch it. Why fast English feels impossible. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Native speakers don't actually talk faster than you think. They just talk differently, very differently. In textbooks, you learn, "How are you today?" But on the street, you hear, "How are ya?" In class, you practice, "What are you going to do?" But in coffee shops, people say, "What you gonna do?" It's like learning to drive with a manual, then jumping into a race car. Same basic idea. Completely different experience. The 3 secrets of fast English secret. Number 1, word melting. Native speakers melt words together like cheese on pizza. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Should have becomes shoulda. Try this right now. Say, "I want to eat pizza," slowly. Now say it fast. "I want to eat pizza." Feel how your mouth barely touches those middle sounds. That's word melting in action. Secret number 2. The invisible words. Some words almost disappear in fast speech. Articles like a and the get swallowed. Going to the store sounds more like going to store. The words are still there. They're just hiding. Secret number 3. Rhythm rules. Everything English has a beat. Like music. Native speakers stress important words and rush through the small ones. I need to go to the store. The capital words get the spotlight. Everything else gets pushed into the background. Training your ears. The movie method. Here's my favorite technique. I call it the movie method. Step 1. Pick a scene from any American movie. Something with normal conversation. Not Shakespeare. Step 2. Watch it 3 times. First time, no subtitles. Just listen. Don't worry if you catch nothing. You're training your ears to hear the rhythm. Second time, turn on English subtitles. Watch how the written words match the sounds. Or don't match. Third time, subtitles off again. You'll be amazed how much more you understand. The echo game. This one's fun and a little silly, but it works. Find a short clip where someone says something casual, like, "I can't believe you did that." Now become their echo. Play the clip. The moment it stops, repeat it exactly. Same speed, same tone, same energy. "I can't believe you did that." Don't think about grammar. Don't translate. Just echo. Your mouth will learn the shapes. Your ears will learn the patterns. Common fast speech patterns. Let me teach you the top 5 patterns you'll hear everywhere. Pattern 1, didja instead of did you. Did you eat becomes didja eat. Pattern 2, gonna instead of going to. I'm going to leave becomes I'm gonna leave. Pattern 3, coulda, shoulda, woulda. I could have done it becomes I coulda done it. Pattern 4, what'ya. Instead of what do you think becomes what do you think. Pattern 5. The disappearing H, give him the book becomes give him the book. The coffee shop challenge. Here's a real-world exercise. Next time you're in a coffee shop or restaurant, listen to the conversations around you. Don't be creepy about it. Just tune in. You'll hear, "I'll have a large coffee" become, "I'll have a large coffee," or "Can I get the check" become, "Can I get the check." The more you notice these patterns in real life, the faster your brain adapts. Dealing with different accents. American English isn't just one thing. Someone from Texas sounds different from someone from New York. Someone from California has their own flavor. But here's the good news. The basic patterns are the same everywhere. Once you crack the code in one accent, the others become much easier. My advice: start with one accent you hear most often. Maybe it's American TV shows. Maybe it's British YouTube channels. Master one first, then branch out. The power of music. English songs are secret weapons for fast speech training. Singers connect words just like speakers do. Plus, music is memorable. Pick a song you actually like. Look up the lyrics. Listen while reading along. Then try singing along. Don't worry about your voice. Focus on the word connections. I'm gonna wash that man right out of my hair, from musicals. I wanna hold your hand, from the Beatles. These aren't mistakes. They're real English. The sandwich technique. Here's something I discovered while teaching thousands of students. I call it the sandwich technique. Think of understanding fast English like making a sandwich. You need 3 layers. Bottom layer context. Before you listen to anything, know what you're getting into. If it's a restaurant scene, your brain expects food vocabulary. If it's a job interview, expect professional language. This bottom layer helps your brain predict what's coming. Middle layer keywords. Don't try to catch every word. Hunt for the meat of the conversation. The keywords, the important stuff. Reservation, table, menu in a restaurant. Experience, salary, start date in an interview. Top layer emotion. Pay attention to how people say things, not just what they say. Are they excited? Frustrated, confused emotion carries meaning even when words get blurry. Let me give you an example. Listen to this scenario in your mind. So, I went to this new place downtown. Right. And the waiter was like, super slow. I mean, we waited forever just to order. Then the food comes out cold. Cold. Can you believe it? Even if you missed some words, you caught the emotion. The speaker is frustrated about bad restaurant service. That's the sandwich technique working. The puzzle method. Fast English is like a jigsaw puzzle. You don't need every piece to see the picture. Native speakers actually give you lots of clues without realizing it. They repeat important information. They use gestures. They change their voice when something matters. Watch any American sitcom. Notice how characters say important things twice, but differently. I can't go to the party tonight. Sorry, but I'm not going to make it. Same message. 2 ways. Your brain gets 2 chances to understand. Practice this puzzle thinking. When you miss something, don't panic. Keep listening. The speaker will probably give you the missing piece later. Advanced listening secrets. Secret 4. The filler word code. Americans use tons of filler words, like, you know, so, well. These aren't mistakes. They're part of natural speech rhythm. So, like, I was thinking, you know, maybe we could, go to that new restaurant. The actual message, let's try that new restaurant. Once you recognize fillers, conversations become much clearer. Your brain learns to filter them out automatically. Secret 5. The question rising. Americans often make statements sound like questions by raising their voice at the end. This is especially common with young people. So I went to the store and bought some milk and came home. These aren't really questions. It's just a speaking style. Don't get confused by the rising tone. Secret 6. The storytelling pattern. Americans love stories. Even simple conversations follow story patterns. Setup. So yesterday I was at work. Problem. And my computer completely crashed. Solution. Luckily, it fixed it in like 20 minutes. When you recognize this pattern, following along becomes much easier. Regional differences decoded. Let's break down the major American accents you'll encounter. West Coast California, Oregon, Washington. Very relaxed pronunciation. Words flow together smoothly. Going to becomes gonna almost always. The pace is usually moderate. East Coast New York, Boston, Philadelphia. Faster pace. Sharper consonants. More attitude in the voice. Park the car might sound like pack the ka in Boston. Southern states Texas, Georgia. Louisiana. Slower pace but more vowel changes. I sounds like ah. Very melodic rhythm. I like that becomes like that. Chaton, Midwest Chicago, Detroit, Minnesota. Often considered the neutral American accent. Good place to start your training. Clear pronunciation, but still uses all the fast speech patterns. Don't try to master all accents at once. Pick one region and focus there first. The TV show training program. Different types of shows teach different listening skills. Sitcoms, Friends, The Office, Modern Family. Great for casual conversation patterns. Lots of everyday vocabulary. Perfect for beginners. Dramas, Grey's Anatomy. This Is Us, more emotional vocabulary. People speak intensely. Good for understanding feelings and relationships. Reality TV cooking shows. Home renovation. Authentic. Unscripted speech. This is how Americans really talk when they're not acting. News programs formal but fast. Excellent for advanced learners. Clear pronunciation but rapid delivery. Talk shows. Jimmy Fallon. Ellen mix of casual and performance speech. Lots of interrupting and overlapping conversation. Start with sitcoms. Then move to reality TV. Then challenge yourself with news and talk shows. The emotion connection. Here's something most teachers don't tell you. Emotion is the fastest way to understand speech. When Americans are excited, they speak faster, but with more energy. Key words get louder. When they're sad, they speak slower, but less clearly. Words get mumbled. When they're angry, consonants get sharper. T's become very crisp. When they're confused, they use more filler words and repeat themselves. Learn to read these emotional patterns. Your comprehension will skyrocket. The conversation flow rules. American conversations have invisible rules. Rule 1. Turn-taking people. Signal when they're done talking. Voice drops. They pause. They might say, so, or anyway. Rule 2. Interrupting politely. Americans interrupt, but nicely. Sorry to cut in, but, or real quick, or just, oh. Rule 3 agreement sounds. Yeah. Right. Exactly. These keep conversations flowing. Don't mistake them for the main message. Rule 4 topic switching. Speaking of which, that reminds me. Oh, before I forget. These phrases signal new topics. Your daily 10-minute plan. Want to see real progress? Here's your daily routine. Minutes 1 to 3. Listen and repeat. Find one short conversation clip. Listen twice. Repeat once. Minutes 4 to 6. Echo practice. Pick 3 sentences from the clip. Echo them back with the same rhythm. Minutes 7 to 10. Real-world application. Watch a scene from a TV show or movie. Focus on catching the main ideas. Not every word. Do this every day for 2 weeks. You'll be shocked at the difference. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Trying to catch every word. Don't do this. Even native speakers miss words sometimes. Focus on understanding the main message. Mistake 2. Getting frustrated. This skill takes time. Be patient with yourself. Every day of practice counts. Mistake 3. Only studying formal English. Textbook English is important, but real-life English is different. You need both. Building your confidence. Remember, understanding fast English isn't about being perfect. It's about being functional. If you catch 70% of a conversation, that's amazing. If you understand the main point of a movie scene, celebrate that win. Native speakers didn't learn this overnight either. They had years of practice. Give yourself permission to be a beginner. The technology helper. Use technology to your advantage. YouTube lets you slow down videos. Start at 75% speed, then move to normal speed when you're comfortable. Podcasts often have transcripts. Listen first, then read, then listen again. Language learning apps have conversation practice. Use them to supplement real-world listening. Your action plan. Here's what to do after this video today. Pick one American TV show episode. Watch one scene using the movie method. This week, practice the echo game for 10 minutes every day. This month, start noticing fast speech patterns in everything you watch. Final thoughts. Fast English isn't a mystery anymore. It's just a different style of the same language you already know. With the right practice, your ears will adapt. Your brain will catch up. And one day, you'll realize you're understanding without even trying. The secret isn't studying harder. It's listening smarter. That's a wrap on today's English adventure. I hope these techniques help you crack the code of fast English speakers. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to English Stories with Alex for more practical English tips every week. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Share this with a friend who's struggling with fast English. Learning together makes everything easier. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the hardest part about understanding fast English? For you, I read every comment and love hearing from you. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and remember, you've got this. This is Alex, signing off. See you in the next story.